Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own sprinkler system DIY for just $15. I have these little plants in the front of my house, and every day in the afternoon they're all like droopy on the floor, dried up, and if I don't come out here and like pour some water on them every day, they pretty much die. So that's what gave me this idea. All you're going to need is 3 parts, a nozzle, a nano, I think it's called irrigation tubing, and like a little hole puncher, and all of this is going to cost about $15, and I'm going to put a link to all of this in the description, and I'm going to show you how it works. You're going to put the nano irrigation tube into the adapter like this, and then you're going to screw that in there. Let me do that real quick. There you go. And the idea is that you'll lay this across wherever you want to have water come out, and then you'll punch holes in the tube, and that'll pretty much be like your DIY sprinkler system. So I'm going to open this up and show you now. Let me grab the end here. And I've already opened a hole in it, so it might spray water somewhere else, but you'll get the idea. Right, there it is. So this is letting out water, and if you can see here, let me show you. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some water coming out of the little hole that I punched right there. So I'm going to wrap this around the plants and punch a few more holes in it. Might have to cut it down if it's too long, and you can obviously buy more than one and set it up however you want. So I'm going to do that, and I'll show you how it comes out. As you can see there, I've wrapped it all the way around and in the back, and that's so that when I open it, water will shoot out through both sides to make sure that all the plants get enough water. And you can probably even hide it a little bit under some of the mulch where you won't make holes. So now what I'm going to do is make some punch some holes in it where I want the water to come out, and cut the excess, and we should be good. Alright, so I've gone ahead and punched some holes in here. Keep in mind that the more holes you open, the less pressure it will have, but it's pretty thin, so it's kind of hard to have the pressure be low on this, so you should be okay. I punched about 3 holes per plant on the front, and then 1 hole per plant on the back, just to make sure you got enough water from each side. And then for these that are on the corners, I did 3 on the corner, just top, bottom, and middle. So now I'm going to open this and we're going to see how it looks. And obviously this side is still open, but you can see, hopefully you can see that there's like it's spraying water in the plants. And obviously you can close this here, and when you do that, the pressure will increase. You can see there all the plants being watered. There you go. So the last step would be to cut the excess right here and tie a little knot like this so that you can have a good amount of pressure, and then hide it. So I'm going to show you that next. So I cut the end here to make it shorter. I just tied a little knot in it. I just tested it, water won't come out of here, and I have all this extra that I can use in a different part of the yard as long as I have another adapter. So now I'm going to just hide this under the mulch to make it look nice, and we'll be all set. Alright, so that's all set. So now all I have to do is come here once a day, open it up, and let it run for a little while till the plants have enough water, and that's it. When it's done, I just close it. Alright guys, so I hope this video helped you. If you guys wanted to do some yard work or something similar to this, really quick, really simple, and really cheap. Alright guys, have a good one. I'll see you later.